Hello everyone. Next we are going to take hair from the front, making 8 ponytails with small rubber bands, and then we are going to take all of them and then joining them together by dividing them into two parts. As you can clearly see, it already looks so pretty. Now we are going to take the remaining hair of the ponytail and then joining it with the all hair and then making a final high ponytail by using this rubber band. Next, we are going to take hair from the front first, and then by using this thread, we are going to start making a braid by taking hair one by one from one side. After that, we are going to keep making it till we reach the last, and then we will going to repeat the same step with the other side also. You can use any ribbon or any thread you want of your choice for this. After it is done, we are going to take hair from the ponytail we've made and then joining it with the braid we are making. We're gonna continue it till all the remaining hair from the ponytail is joined with the braid. After that, we are going to roll it out into this beautiful cute bun and then securing it with a rubber band or a clip. Next, we are going to divide our hair into 4 sections, and then we are going to take hair from the front and making a ponytail by using a rubber band. Then we are going to take hair from the back from one side and start making this braid by taking hair from both the sides one by one in parts, and then we're gonna continue it till we reach the last. Now we are going to secure it by using a rubber band and then joining it with a ponytail, thereby converting the ponytail into a braid as well and folding it into a bun. Next, we are taking a ponytail. We are going to take only some hair, leaving some of them untied, and by using this tool, we are going to fold it into this round bun. After that, we are going to take the remaining hair and then start making a braid from one side by dividing it into two parts and then taking hair from one side only. After it is done, we are going to join the braid to this bun, as you can see, with the help of a clip.